Today unboxing is on the Tarmac Works BMW Pit Garage Diorama, and big thanks to Tarmac Works for sending this to me for review. This set also includes the exclusive model, the BMW M6 GT3, and is now available at Tarmac Works Webstore. I like the theme, it's unique. The box is huge, which includes a list of comprehensive components together with the casting. It also requires very simple assembly. The contents are packed neatly in the blister. The casting looks awesome, which I will unbox later. The main structure for the pit garage, which require decals applications. All the necessary structure, including the removable ceiling for photography, a decal sheet for decal application, and also the base with realistic decal applied to it. Alright, the setup is very easy. The only time spent is to apply the decals onto the pit garage and also onto the walls. Structure wise, it's freestanding and it's pretty versatile with two configurations. I choose this with the sort of a pillar structure, or you can use the divider to segregate the two sections, so it's up to you. The walls or the backdrops are freestanding and they are loose, so I use a blue tack to secure it to the structure for ease of photography. The structure in 1/6/4 scale looks pretty neat. The interiors are well lit because the ceiling is removed, which you can always add to it effortlessly. And now let's take a closer look at the BMW M6 GT3, the number green 24 hours 2016. This casting belongs to the Hobby 64 series with a standard presentation case together with the sleeve. The sleeve design looks wild and dynamic. The Tarmac Works logo looks very striking. Collector's card included with serial number. The casting is very detailed together with two antennas. As it's a model car, you have to be very careful when handling it. Very striking number 999 together with the livery. The livery looks wild and dynamic with matching wheel sets fitted with Dunlop tires. The front lights are tinted yellow with the signature BMW grille. Detailed interior. You can also see the Gran Turismo livery on the windshield. Looks even better out of the base. The interior is fitted with a roll cage. The wheels can't really roll. These are model car meant for display. The workmanship looks awesome. You can see even from extreme close-up. It's really good. The overall casting looks dynamic together with a very fierce rear wing. This realistic M6 GT3 will no doubt looks perfect in diecast photography and also in the pit stop diorama. The whole setup looks incredible and is accompanied by another M6 GT3 in Autobacks livery. This diorama has many nice photography angles and it will no doubt be a great addition into your diorama collection. Stay tuned for more Tarmac Works unboxing and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye! These awesome Tarmac Works casting are a random giveaway to my lucky subscribers who actively like, comment and share my videos in this channel. 3 lucky subscribers will stand a chance to win a pair of these Tarmac Works casting, and I will announce the lucky subscribers in 2 weeks.